Greek future tense. I will do.
Θα κάνω.
Welcome aboard. Hey you, great to have you here. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice packs. Today we'll make the Greek future tense your superpower, from I will do equals
Θα κάνω.
to team play forms like we will do equals.
Θα κάνουμε.
Ready? Strap in, sip your coffee, and let's make grammar giggle. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say 8 future forms with confidence and a smile. Your mission. Hear it, say it, and use it in mini dialogues. The base verb is to do, make equals.
Κάνω.
Add the future particle, will equals.
Θα.
And boom, future tense unlocked. Future forms remix. Repeat after me, rhythm helps memory. Keep it snappy. I will do.
Θα κάνω.
You, singular, will do.
Θα κάνεις.
She will do.
Αυτή θα κάνει.
It will make.
Θα κάνει.
We will do.
Θα κάνουμε.
You, plural, polite, will do.
Θα κάνετε.
They will make.
Θα κάνουν.
Base form, present, do.
Κάνω.
Snack size dialogue. Listen once, then echo each line. You've got this. A. Tomorrow I promise. I will do the shopping.
Θα κάνω.
Ta Sonia. B. Cool. And you, SG, will do the cooking.
Θα κάνεις.
To Faghetto. A. Deal. Maria said she will do the dessert.
Αυτή θα κάνει.
To Glico. B. Perfect. A little lemon will make it amazing.
Θα κάνει.
Te goose telea. A. After lunch we will do a quick workout.
Θα κάνουμε.
Mia Gregor Askis. B. You all, polite, place, will do the presentation.
Θα κάνετε.
10 Perusius, right? A. Yup, and they will make the slides.
Θα κάνουν.
Tis diaphonize. Rapid fire drills. Say the Greek aloud before I do. Beat the pause if you can. Prompt. I will do it tomorrow. Answer.
Θα κάνω.
Oreo. Prompt. You, SG, will do the right thing. Answer.
Θα κάνεις.
To Sosto. Prompt. She will do the report. Answer.
Αυτή θα κάνει.
10 Anaphora. Prompt. It will make sense later. Answer.
Θα κάνει.
Noema Argotera. Prompt. We will do our best. Answer.
Θα κάνουμε.
To Calatero. Prompt. You, place, polite, will do the first task. Answer.
Θα κάνετε.
10 Prot Dulea. Prompt. They will make a plan. Answer.
Θα κάνουν.
Enashadio. Bonus. Present versus future, do versus will do.
Κάνω.
Versus.
Θα κάνω.
Culture tip. Sound natural like a local. In everyday Greek.
Θα.
Plus verb is super common for plans and promises. Keep your stress on the verb.
Θα κάνω. Θα κάνεις. Θα κάνουμε.
Add a friendly nod and you're basically a future tense superhero. Cape optional. Quiz and challenge. Time to lock it in. Answer, then check yourself. Q1. Translate, we will do it. A.
Θα κάνουμε.
To kanume, natural.
Θα το κάνουμε.
Closing parenthesis. Q2. Say, you, place, will do the shopping tomorrow. A.
Αύριο θα κάνετε.
Ta Sonia. Q3. Complete. If it's hard, underscore 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 it later, it will make sense. A.
Θα κάνει.
Noema Argotera. Challenge. In your own words, promise 3 things using
Θα κάνω. Θα κάνεις. Θα κάνουν.
Speak them out loud now. Wrap up. You nailed it, future tense unlocked. Today you mastered the core forms.
Θα κάνω. Θα κάνεις. Αυτή θα κάνει. Θα κάνει. Θα κάνουμε. Θα κάνετε. Θα κάνουν.
Plus the base.
Κάνω.
Thanks for listening. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing daily, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and freebies. See you next time.